Hmm. Did
No,
you
sir.
read?
Mistake. I checked.
क्या?
There is no mistake.
Okay.
हाँ
मोहम्मद
सर.
अली read.
हाँ तब
Yes, sir.
R2 से मैं अलग अलग आया.
Okay.
नंबर
Yes, Mohammed Ali. Read once more.
नीचे.
Okay, sir. True or false? Number one. Hamid's parents will accompany him to the fair. False. Number two. Hamid believes that his parents will come back. True. Number three. Hamid, like the other children, wants to buy the toys. False. 4. Hamid buys sweets at the Eidgah. False. Number 5. The other children share their things with Hamid. False. Number 6. The other children like Hamid's pair of tongues in the end. True.
Hmm. Okay. Sahil.
Yes, sir.
Read CF.
Okay, sir. Number one, the boys are eagerly waiting to go there. Go to the Idgah. Number two, Amina Bose said when she hears, hears that Hamid wants to go to Idgah. Number three, everything in the town looks strange today, besides children. Number four, Hamid doesn't buy any toys.
Your voice is breaking up. You are not audible.
And now,
No.
now,
You are not in the good network area, I think.
and now,
It is there but breaking up.
it is breaking or not.
Okay, leave it for now. Someone
Okay,
else?
okay.
Who else will read? And Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Okay, sir.
Are you reading? Hello.
Sir, your voice is cutting.
I am asking that are you reading? Hello.
No, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Why are you not reading? Hello.
Sir, we
क्या हो रहा है क्यों ऐसे बातें कर रहे हो सब लोग वाह व्हाट हैपेंड व्हाट
Nothing, sir.
Sufyan read it
Yes, sir. Amina Gross said, sir, first wala.
no second
Amina Gross said when she hears that Hamid wants to go to the Idgah. Third, everything in the town looks strange to the village children. Hamid doesn't buy any toys because they cost two
Hello,
paisa
sir.
each. Besides, they could break easily or paint, could run, and they are of no use to him. Instead, he buys a pair of tongs for his grandmother. Sixth, when Hamid tells his grandmother why he bought the pair of tongs, she is deeply moved by Hamid's selflessness and hugs him.
hmm. Okay मेरा वॉइस क्लियर है
Yes,
okay see the boys are eagerly waiting to dash go to the Eidgah E capital Amina grows sad when she hears dash that Hamid wants to go to the Eidgah Hamid H capital, Idgah E capital. Number 3. Everything in the town looks strange to Dash. Village children. Number 4. Hamid doesn't buy any toys because Dash. They cost 2 paisas each. Beside, they could break easily or paint could run and they are of no use to him. Number 5. Instead he buys Dash, a pair of tongs for his grandmother. Number 6. When Hamid tells his grandmother why he bought the pair of tongs, she is Dash, deeply moved by Hamid's selflessness and hugs him. There also H capital. Now, who else will read question answer? Whose voice is clear and not breaking up?
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Question answer. 1. Our small party of village rustics in not bothered about the poor show they make. Who is referred to as village rustics here? The village rustics are Hamid and the other boys from his village. What do the words poor show mean? They are not as well dressed as the other people headed towards the Idgah who are wearing perfume and traveling in horse-drawn carriages and motor cars. Since the group of village is not so grand, it's not so grand. The phrase poor show is used to describe their appearance and his impression they create. How are the village rustics described? They are happy to be themselves and find everything in town unusual as they gape at everything. सर नंबर 2 नहीं दिख रहा है, नंबर 1 दिख रहा है.
What happened?
बोले सर अब दिखा नंबर 2. He can't afford to part with a third of his treasure for a few rounds. What rounds are referred to here? The rounds are 25 rounds on a roundabout with wooden elephants, horses, and camels that one and can enjoy by paying 1 paisa. Why are the rounds described as miserable? The rounds are described miserable because to Hamid they do not seem worth the 1 paisa that he would have to pay for them. 1 paisa is a lot of money for him, and it is a third of his treasure. What was Hamid's treasure? Hamid's treasure was the sum of 3 paisas. Hamid's treasure was the sum of 3 paisas.
Mute your mic. See here in this lesson, reference to context are there. So I can ask you questions directly without giving this line. Then also you have to give answer, okay?
Yes, sir.
See here,
Yes, sir.
who is referred to as village rustics? So the village rustics are Hamid and the other boys from the village. They are village rustics. And poor show means what? Poor show means what? They are not very well dressed as other people are. As they headed towards the Idgah, means as they were going towards the Idgah, they were not wearing so nice dresses, Hamid and other villagers. who were wearing perfume and traveling in horse-drawn carriages and motor cars. So the other town people, they were wearing perfume and they had come in the horse-drawn carriages and they had come in the motor cars. Since the group of the village is not so grand, means village का जो group था, they were not so grand, they were not looking so well dressed. So this phrase is used. This is a phrase, poor show, that is used for the appearance and the impression of the village people. Got it?
Yes.
How are the village rustics described? The village rustics, how are they described? They are very happy themselves, means they are happy with what they have, and they find everything in the town unusual, means whatever they see in the town of the town people, it is very unusual, it is very different for them, for the villagers. As they gape at everything, means they are looking at everything with their mouth open, they gape at everything in wonder, means they are thinking and they are gaping at everything, they are looking at everything with surprise. And Hamid is almost run over by a car, means he was going to hit by a car when they were gaping at everything. Understood?
Yes.
And over here, what rounds are referred? Which rounds were there? So, roundabout, okay, that merry-go-round. So there are 25 rounds on a roundabout. And what was there on that roundabout? Wooden elephants were there, horses and camels were there. So one can enjoy that by paying 1 paisa, 25 rounds. Why are the rounds described as miserable? So why this word is used, that they are miserable rounds? Because for Hamid, it is not worth it, because he cannot spend 1 paisa that he would have to pay for them. It is not worth it. So he is saying that the rounds are miserable. And 1 paisa is a lot for him. For him, 1 paisa is a big amount, as it is 1/3 of his treasure. Means he had 3 paisas. So uska 1/3 tha 1 paisa. So it is a big amount for him. Got it? Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then what is given over here? What was Hamid's treasure? Means what total amount did he have? What was his treasure? What was the total amount that Hamid had? What was his treasure? How much? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Three
Yes,
Answer
sir.
કોઈને
paisas.
દેવા નથી પછી કે yes, sir.
3 paisas, sir.
3 paisas. Where is roll number 10?
और बच्चे कोई नहीं है
Zegam. Zegam Ali.
नो
Is he there? Why is he not answering? Zegam Ali.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. 1 second. I'll open that PDF of the poem which I want to teach you. This is chapter 11, Wishing. Chapter number 11. It is a poem. Wishing.
Yes.
So in this poem, what are we going to study about? In this poem, the poem conveys a very strong message about how the world can be a better place to live in. How can we make our world better place? Can you tell me?
नो
What? No. Everywhere, no.
नहीं
How can
पता
how can we make our world better place? How can we make our earth better place that everyone can live peacefully? Fast answer.
तो मैं
Your voice is not reaching me, Sahil. You are not in the network area.
Sir,
Not reaching me. What about others? Are all others sleeping?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है सब सो रहे हो. What is wrong? I don't understand.
Sir, nothing is wrong.
the star yes.
साहिल
Sahil,
आवाज
your
नहीं आ रहा.
voice is
साहिल voice
breaking.
is not reaching us. There is
Your
some
voice is
network
breaking,
issue. I
Sahil.
can understand. कभी कभी होता है ऐसा. In my phone also sometimes network issues are there. So no problem. You can try in some different network area. तो शायद network मिल जाए. So see, in this poem, the poet conveys the message about how we can make the world a better place. How can we make our earth a good place we can live in? And every individual means everyone, we have to take responsibility for what we speak and what we do. Whatever we speak and whatever we do, it is our duty to make a world, it is our duty to make the world a better place. And we have to take our own responsibility for our words and for our actions. We are responsible for what we speak and what we do. Understood? Do you understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that is what we will study
Yes,
in the
sir.
poem. See what is given over here. Can you give answer? Recall a situation when you made a difference in another person's life. Did you help anyone? Anytime? It could be something as simple as helping your friend or little brother or sister who had not been doing so well in studies. Share your experience with the class. So, did you help anyone, like your friend or your cousin or anyone, and really
Yes.
his or her life changed anytime? Can you
Yes.
give an example?
Yes.
When?
Blanket already.
When?
Yes.
When? Tell me. Give example. So that means you're not helped.
What? I forgot.
See, you go to sleep, all of you, no problem. Bye, everyone. So tell me, when did you help anyone?
Turn नहीं किया.
Never.
No.
Then you are being selfish all the time, not selfless.
No.
No, sir.
If you don't have any such example, then your life is not worth it. If you are not helping anyone, then what is the reason for our existence? If you are just taking care of yourselves, not helping others, is it good?
But not.
सर मैंने
Sahil,
हेल्प
your
की है पर किसी की लाइफ चेंज नहीं हुई है.
but you can at least share with us.
I have.
See, like this, even a
I
little
helped my
kind.
cousin.
Yes, but how? What did you do? Tell us.
I helped him in studies.
How and when?
When I go Ahmedabad.
Hmm. Means he got some good marks with that.
Yes.
Hmm. Good. So see, did you help anyone like this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Even this is very
Yes.
good thing. You should do these things. So read this poem that throws light on our real purpose on the earth. Now, as I said, why do we exist? Why have we got life? What is our reason that we have got life on the earth? Not just for being selfish, but because we have to help others. So we will read one by one stanza and we'll understand. We will read the first one. Is my voice clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, we will read. Your voice is not clear, Sahil. Today you don't speak. It is good. It's because your voice is breaking up. There's some network issue today.
Can I read? Sir, can I read?
And Mohammed.
Yes, sir. Do you wish the world were better? Let me tell you what to do. Set a watch upon your actions. Keep them always straight and true. Rid your mind of selfish motives.
Motives.
motives. Let your thoughts be clean and high. You can make a little end of the sphere you occupy.
So what is given over here? See, poet is asking the first question. Do you wish the world were better? Do you really wish that?
Yes,
Yes? Really?
really.
So let me tell you what to do. So the poet
Yes.
is telling us what to do. Set a watch upon your actions. Means what you do, you have to be careful. You have to keep a watch on yourselves. Not that someone will point out your mistake, but you have to point out your mistakes. You have to keep that CCTV on yourself. You have to see what you are doing. Either it is right, whether it is right or not. So you have to set that CCTV on yourself, and you have to see that whether the actions that you are doing are they always straight and true. Keep your actions always straight and true. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And read. See, it is given read. मतलब uh, read means छुड़वा देना. Read your mind of
Yes.
selfish motives. You are being selfish sometimes,
Good.
right? You have to keep your mind away from selfish motive. Motive means intention, irada. So you have to keep your mind away from selfish motives. Don't be selfish all the time. Think about others also. Let your thoughts be clean and high. You have to think very good about all other people, even if they are not being good with you, but your thoughts should be clean and high. High means always think like no one else will do. Others, what will they do? They will fight, they will keep grudges, they will think of taking a revenge, but you should not. You should always think clean and high. You can make a little add-on of the sphere you occupy. Sphere means
Sir.
space.
Aden means?
Yes, I'm telling you. Sphere means space. You are occupying the space on the earth. Everyone will occupy space, right? But
Yes.
you have to make a little add-on. You can make a little add-on. See, in the Bible, जो Bible थी ना, like we have Quran,
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
humans,
sir.
पहले इंसान कौन थे? Adam और Eve. They
Yes.
lived.
Sir, your
So
voice is
that
breaking.
that place is called Eden. जो पहले इंसान आया था ना, Adam और Eve.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That place where they came, that place is called Little Eden. So you can make Little Eden on the earth because at that time earth was very holy. There was no cheating because that was the first time when human beings came, Adam and Eve. They lived, and that place is called Little Eden. So you can make a Little Eden right now of the sphere you occupy. जो हम जो थोड़ी बहुत जगह ऑक्यूपाई करते हैं अर्थ पे, उसके आसपास हम एडन बना सकते हैं. वी कैन मेक अ लिटिल एडन अराउंड अस. नाउ डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
But for that,
Yes,
you have to
sir.
follow all these things. You have to keep watch on your actions. You have to see what you are doing every day. Be straight and true. Don't be selfish. Keep your thoughts clean and high. Yes, fast. Sufyan, read number two.
Yes, sir. Do you wish the world were wiser? Well, suppose you make a start by accumulating wisdom in the scrapbook of your heart. Do not waste one page on folly. Live to learn and learn to live. If you want to give man knowledge, you must get it ere you give.
Okay, see, very very impressive stanza. बहुत समझने का इसमें. See, do you wish the world were wiser? Now it is second question. Wiser means the person who knows everything, what is right and wrong. That person is called wise person. So it is about whole world. Do you think? Do you wish that world should be wiser?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, किसने बोला?
ये जयगा मलिया.
So wise, wiser, wisest. The three are there, positive, comparative, superlative. So do you wish the world were wiser? All the people knew what is right and wrong for them, and they should do only right things. That is called wise. Well, suppose you make a start. Suppose, how will you start if you want to make the world wiser? Whose mic is on here? So how will you start?
जयगा मलिया.
By accumulating wisdom. What will you accumulate? Accumulating means collecting. इकट्ठा करना. You will accumulate wisdom. अगर wise बनाना है सबको तो पहले wisdom तो चाहिए. You means wisdom means the thing. The wisdom is your knowledge. First you have to accumulate knowledge, right? About right and wrong. So first you will accumulate knowledge. That is how you will start. In the scrapbook of your heart. Scrapbook पता है ना? Scrapbook सुना होगा. What do you write in scrapbook? What do you write
नहीं
in?
पता, मैंने नहीं लिखा कुछ भी.
Anyone else? What do you write in scrapbook? Hello?
Sir,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, don't know.
एक तो साहिल का तो आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What do
sir.
you understand? See, in the scrapbook, you write about yourself, your family, history of your family, and all your personal things and photographs, like a memory you keep in the scrapbook. Now, did you understand?
Sir.
So, in the scrapbook of your heart, what will you accumulate? Wisdom. You have to collect wisdom, knowledge in your scrapbook of your heart. Do not waste one page on folly. Folly means foolishness. Don't even waste one page of that scrapbook on foolishness. Don't be foolish even once in a while. Don't waste one page in your heart. The whole scrapbook is there of memories of your family and all the past
Yes.
memories. Don't waste one page. So even one day should not be wasted in which you have written about folly, about your foolishness. Don't waste. Means don't do mistakes. And live to learn and learn to live. It is a very big sentence. The meaning is very big. Live to learn. पहले सीखो कि कैसे जीना है. And learn to live. And also learn how to live. It is the same. Live to learn. Means why do we live? We live just for eating or for enjoying?
Yes.
No. What yes?
No, no. No, sir. No.
We live to learn. Every day you should learn something new. Every day. Otherwise your day is wasted. अगर दिन में कुछ new नहीं सीखा then your day is wasted. If it is just routine. So live to learn and learn to live. Learn भी क्यों करना है? Just because we can live a better life. इसलिए learn करना है. If you want to give man knowledge, see, if you want to give the whole world knowledge, who is this? Whose mic is on?
LOL. LOL. LOL.
Whose mic is on?
Kasim Raza Lakhani.
Kasim,
कासिम
mute your
माइक
mic.
बंद कर.
No,
If you
sir,
want
my
to
mic
give,
is off. Sir, my
if
mic
you
is
want
off.
to give, अरे what is wrong? If you want to give man knowledge, you must get it ere you give. So if you want to give the whole world knowledge, but before that you should get knowledge yourself, then only you can give knowledge to others. If I will have knowledge, then only I can give my students. So if you want to give the man knowledge, man means the whole world. If you want to give knowledge, you should get it yourself. Air means before. It is an old English word, means before. So before you give knowledge to someone,
Sir, your screen is not presenting.
first you should get knowledge.
Sir,
Yes.
Yes,
your
sir,
screen is
is not
present.
presenting.
Why?
Sir,
वो
because
अरमा वो
Zegamali started
जेगमली
presenting.
में वो
Wait, I
जेगमली
am calling the
जाफरी ने
parents. एक ये
उसमें
इदरीश के पेरेंट्स को कॉल करना है और जैकब अली के
तो
पेरेंट्स
आपकी
को.
स्क्रीन चली
Both
गई.
are misbehaving. Yes, इदरीश.
जाफरी ने स्क्रीन
हाँ,
प्रेजेंट किया
दोनों के पेरेंट्स को. Now mute your mic. See, if you want to give the man knowledge, if you want to give the whole world knowledge, first you should get it yourself. Air means before you should get the knowledge yourself. Understood?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then read this fast.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Do you wish the world were happy? Then remember day by day just to scatter seeds of kindness as you pass along the way from the pleasures of many may be of oft times traced to one as the hand that plants an acorn, acorn shelters armies from the sun.
So, do you wish the world were happy? Now, do you wish that the whole world should be happy?
Yes.
Then remember one thing, day by day means every day, just to scatter the seed of kindness. See, how will you scatter the seed of kindness? Matlab, kindness means helpful. You should spread the seeds. बताए हम seeds पहले डालते हैं जमीन में, then plants will come out from that seeds. When you sow the seeds, then plants will grow.
Yes, sir.
तो जैसे seeds sow करेंगे वैसे ही plants बाहर आएंगे, right? Right?
Yes. Yes.
So if you scatter the seeds of kindness, अगर kindness के seeds scatter किए सब जगह, if you spread kindness everywhere, if you be kind with everyone, see like how the boy is kind with the dog, the boy is kind with the dog, right? He's helping him.
Yes.
So if you scatter the seeds of, scatter means बिछा देना सब जगह. If you scatter the seeds of kindness means helpful, as you pass along the way means wherever you pass on the road, whomever you see, if you show your kindness, if you show your helpfulness to everyone on the way, for the pleasures of many may be oft times traced to one. Oft means often, means everyone will be happy with you. Pleasures of many means everyone will be happy with you, maybe often times traced to one. As the hand that plants an acorn shelters armies from the sun. Acorn, see it is given over here, the nut of an oak tree. ये एक nut है जिसको acorn बोलते हैं, वो oak tree में से आता है बाहर. So as the hand, if you plant an acorn, if you plant this seed of acorn, then the whole army can rest under that tree. If you will plant that seeds, one day that tree will become a big tree, an acorn tree, and the whole army, all the soldiers in that army can rest under that tree when they are under the heat of the sun, under the sun rays, they can take shelter under that tree. So if one person will sow that seed, that it will become a big tree, and so many people can sit under that acorn tree and take shelter. So one help can be beneficial to so many people around you. Did you understand?
Yes.
Just one person can make a big difference. ऐसे डायलॉग भी था मूवी में. Just one person can make a big difference. If you help everyone, all the other people around will get benefit from your help, and they will also learn from you. Who has written this? Ella Wheeler Wilcox.
Because
Ella Wheeler Wilcox.
Okay, sir.
Ella Wheeler Wilcox.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
bye sir, have a nice day. Bye bye.